guys, I got my Temu bag out today, so that's what we're going to be doing today. But before I start, I would like to talk about something that happened. Okay, on last week's Ipsy, someone felt the need to ask what was going on in my home and said, it doesn't look like you should be spending money on this crap. First of all, everybody here knows me, knows that I've never claimed to be anything but a poor white woman from Appalachia. That's all I've ever claimed to be. Okay? Secondly, yes, my house caught on fire a few years ago. And then after that, I had to have my pouch redone, which is a major surgery you have to have done in Cleveland. It takes a long time to get right from. And then the last year, I've had sepsis twice. And through all that, I'm sitting here in my little house, just happy as I can be. So I think this is probably a you problem. And I think that maybe, people that are happy with themselves don't deliberately try to ruin other people's days. So I think maybe that's a you problem. And what we're going to do here is everybody's going to take a minute to just wish this person a little bit of happiness. Because everybody should, it's a whole lot easier to spread love than it is hate. Anyway, that being said, I also know that, thank you for helping my channel, because all your influences, doesn't matter if it's good or bad, helps my channel. All engagement is good engagement. Anyway, so that being said, we'll move on to the next thing. Also, I wanted to show you that me and Dan figured out his lizard, chameleon, whatever it was. And I'll put that video in here. Okay, I'll make it go. And it actually was cool. I mean, it looks so cheaply made. I thought there's no way this thing can work. But it does. It really does. I don't have my makeup on as usual, and I don't have my nails on because I'm going to the doctor here in about an hour, and they need to check my nails, for my anemia and stuff. So, with all that ado, I'll leave all the links to the items down below. And feel free to like, subscribe, and do the YouTube things, because it really does help. And it keeps me happy in my little place. The first thing is this. I've always been a silver girl, and I got this watch, and I really liked it. But I just wished it was silver, so I went ahead and bought a silver one. Now, I don't have it completely set up yet, because I wanted to go ahead and charge it and do all the things that I could. But, you can change the faces on them. And you can use it for a stopwatch. This has more than what my watch has, actually. So it'll take me a minute. But you can set it all kinds of different ways where you can get your information all different ways. You can get emails, you can call, text, whatever from it. Just like an Apple Watch, but mine only costs like $10. So tell me what your Apple Watch cost. All I'm saying. My grandkids are always getting on me about that, want me to get an Apple. I'm sorry, son. I don't want an Apple Watch because everything that goes with them costs more too. Okay. Ouch. Ooh. Hip pops all the time. Okay. I told you I hated the pillows that came with my couch, and I got some of them redone. Well, I thought, I'm going to do this one too. And it says, the beach is calling. And then we got this one. I don't know what this one says, summer vibes. And these just zip on and zip off, so they're real easy to change. And then I got this. Which these were all one set, and one set for about $5, so you can't beat it. Beach Please, and these are kind of like a nylon-y, outdoorsy type material. Of course, I'm going to use them on the inside. I really wanted them to go on the bigger pillows because I hate this couch. I hate this couch. I hate this couch. And I do think it's the bigger pillows, so I'm just going to order some covers for the bigger pillows and see what happens. Oh, by the way, that little doll is my son's battle buddy that was left for his kids. It had its picture in it, but they took it out. And then I also got this because I told you that Daniel likes to steal Grandma's tools. So Grandma's just got her little tool wrap thing. And it's got all these little pockets. You can put your tools in it, you know. So I can hide them from Daniel. I was ready to kill that boy this week. I kept the kids. Okie and Dan. Of course, Sky wanted to come, but then she didn't want to come. Whole different thing. That's just Sky. But when they came to pick him up, my other grandson came. He starts telling my other grandson about how I'm moving. No, I'm not. Then he starts saying I was going to sell my house. Then he starts trying to broker a deal with him. And I'm like, first of all, I'll tell you when I'm going to sell my house, and I'll tell you what it's worth. You leave me alone. Because he wants me to move up there. And I don't know if I showed these, but I don't think I did. These are my new shoes. These are comfortable. They are so comfortable. They're so comfortable, and I really like them. And I got them. What size did I get? I think I got 8.5 because I've been noticing on the whole shoes, if I go about a half size larger, they fit better. You know, the other ones will fit, but they're kind of hard. But these are like rubber. I like them. And my grandson swears I don't have any shoes. Yes, I do. I have millions. I have more shoes than any one person needs. So I'm trying to get everything I can done. Oh, and here's one of those microphones that go into your phone. So I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I will test it out and I will let you know. Because, you know, that's me. Interesting. Oops. But you see all these other people and they're just holding them like this. That's what they're doing. Hello? How does this sound? Does it sound any better? So I thought, well, we'll try that because I'd like to start going on the road. And sometimes when you're on the road, the cars going by will interfere with your stuff. And I got some more nail glue. And I got me another belt. Now this one is leather also, and I didn't pay very much for it at all. Now you know with leather belts, the longer you wear them, the better they look. So, you know, because the wear makes them look better. I don't know why, but in my opinion, that's what it's always been. But isn't that pretty? I liked it. I liked it. Then I got these signs. Oh, and also, while I'm thinking about it, I got these signs. And there's the mermaid. And here's where it says Mermaid Cove. And then I got another set. I didn't mean to. And then I got this one. And it says, Welcome to Mermaid Cove, where a pirate and his mermaid live. So this one will be sold in the store, and these two probably will be. Because I might keep, yeah, because I'll probably keep this one because it's different than the other mermaid one. But these two will go in the store. I know, crazy. I do that stuff all the time. And then I got these nails. Now these nails were supposed to be short, but they seem to be all kinds of sizes. So, I don't know. They're kind of really thin too. They're very thin, so I don't know if I'll... See, that's what they look like. But they see how thin they are? That's what they look like. They're all different kinds in here. Yeah, here's this kind. I don't know if I show you. That kind. There's all kinds of them in there. So I don't know if I'll be able to wear them or not. But I did get some other almond ones somewhere. And also, my lights never showed up. So they refunded my money. They told me they were lost, so refund your money, and if they come, you can have them. So I said, okay, whatever. So then I put in for my little, it was my free thing, and it was one of those 100-gallon things, you know, where you put your cushions in outside and stuff. And I got a response that they can't mail it. So I got that money back. So now I got $70 in my account. So we will just go ahead and be putting in for my furniture and my lawn stuff. And we'll just do that because Dan called last night about doing my porch again. So maybe he really is going to do it. Who knows? So anyway, I realize this is not a long video, but I still have more stuff coming in. It's just not coming in very rapidly. So come on back. Like, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.